holding above $50 right now. HIMS and HERS, $11 billion valuation, blowout earnings, high short interest. Year to date, we are up 100%. If you bought the dip a month ago, you're up 72%. This company is on fire. Currently for HIMS and HERS, the latest short interest numbers. Here we go. 62 million shares sold short. That is up to 34% now sold short. This is the latest short sale data. The short seller of HIMS are doubling down. They are not backing out. So what is the latest news for HIMS and HERS? Well, they're having a brand new convertible senior note offering to accelerate their global expansion. 870 million convertible senior note that was just offered. Proceeds will be used for organic growth and strategic acquisitions, while also fueling deeper investments in AI, expansion into the UK, and of course their personalized treatments. So real quick summary of the notes, what's this all about? Basically the principal amount is 870 million with up to an additional 130 million in the first 13 days if there's more demand. So they are raising about $1 billion in cash. This $1 billion in cash will bear no interest, due in 2030, 0% convertible senior notes due in 2030. And for the conversion terms, an initial conversion price of approximately $70.60. That is a 37.5% premium over the closing price it was yesterday. Okay, so when you're going through these notes, of course, the first thing that comes to mind is dilution. If the price of HIMS and HERS hits $70.67 or over, the convertible arbitrageurs are able to convert their shares, diluting the regular shareholders of this company. But they have entered into a privately negotiated cap call transaction. What does that mean? Well, basically it's an options-based hedge that HIMS and HERS buys to offset the dilution. It's basically a way to raise capital without hurting existing shareholders too much. Basically, long story short, it's about to hit $51, by the way. Still on fire today. $11 billion valuation. They're almost able to be added to the S&P. By 2030, if the stock stays below that cap, the $70.67, the company gets to neutralize the dilution price of the cap. So the capped call transaction will be pretty much at $90 per share. So if HIMS stock reaches $90, $89.95, the capped call will offset most of dilution. If the stock price of HIMS and HERS continues to go up past $100, then they will accept some dilution because the cap call transaction will start at $90 per share. So anything above $90 to $100, anything over that, pretty much will have dilution. But other than that, below that cap, the company gets to neutralize the dilution. So really great for common shareholders that are holding it right now. Basically, it protects existing shareholders from massive dilution when the stock price rallies. This is actually great for HIMS and HERS because they are securing 870 million, pretty much $1 billion in cash, 0% interest rates. This is super bullish for HIMS and HERS stock. $51. This company is in hyper growth mode. They are super undervalued still. They are on their way to take over the healthcare industry. Anyways, guys, short little video. If you've been watching my videos, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.